Warning: the following program contains dangerous stunts performed by the professionals. Do not attempt to recreate
Okay, yeah.
any
This
of
is
these
good. Yeah,
stunts,
just
not unless it
you
is
can have it face this way
supervision.
or
Oh, it was already recording? All right.
yeah, you could get it that way or you could get it this way too.
Let's get that mountain
So
in the
if you
background.
turn it around the camera like this, you get the full. Yeah. Can you see me?
Yeah.
All right. Hey everybody, how's it going? This is P2, also known as the BJK. That stands for the Backflip Journey Crew. Okay. Or C. BJC. So this is a tutorial on how to actually backflip, all right? Now, this is going off the backflip journey that I knew blew up. Everyone knows me. I'm verified on Instagram now and public, famous and all this, but I don't want you guys to think of that image. I want you to think of me as if, remember, I'm just the entertainer, but I'm just the guy that went through the broken toe, that overcame mental blocks for 7 months, paying $700 in private lessons. You've seen it all. I'm gonna go through the whole beginning, all right? But this is a safe tutorial on how to actually back tuck, all right? Now, the most important thing that I've learned from all my coaches, and my favorite of all time coach that I love to death, is my brother, is Seth. He taught me that when you first start off, you have your arms like this, like a hollow, okay? So the most important thing with a back tuck is you always focus forward. I kind of look down a little bit, but you want to make sure that the hollow is up here. That's your set. You want to sit down like you're sitting in a chair and springing, almost about a 90-degree angle with enough power. From there, you're gonna explode up, use your arms, your legs, and you're gonna focus forward. Almost at the pinnacle, the peak, you're gonna snap your knees to your chest and grab really, really tight. Now, you can tuck in front, behind. Some people tuck in behind, some people tuck in front, but it's most important that you get this spring. You need that spring, and you need a good solid land, right? So you swing your arms down really hard, not too hard, but just enough power to get you the momentum to get you up in the air and initiate you. When you're in the initiation, do not ever throw your head back. Don't throw your head back. You're gonna land on your head. I've seen people do this, and also when it comes to mental blocks, okay, this is also a tutorial for that. You have to commit yourself to the move, but let your body be comfortable with you. Meaning, get your body to trust you. So go to crash mats, get spotters, get coaches, get 2 spotters. For me to get over my mental block, it took 2 spotters. Then get 1 spotter. Go to a soft surface. Go somewhere where it's safe. Get pillows, get mattresses, anything to help your body get used to being upside down, okay? Doing tuck rolls, ground rolls, those things help. Also for me, what I like to do, and people can use this as my signature style, okay? I like to look behind me to tell my body, okay, here it is, that's the floor, I'm safe. When I do this, it's telling my brain subconsciously that I'm safe. And then my body lets me do the move. It's no more blocks because I've overcame those obstacles. Now my body has a lot of 100% trust with me as I have 100% trust with it. I know it sounds weird or stupid, but it's the truth. With a back tuck or back flip, your body is scared. It wants to be safe. So being upside down, it wants security. So it's important that you train right. Don't ever try to do a backflip when you have a mental block. Don't do it. You will bail. It will crash. It will put on the brakes, and it'll say, you know what? I'm not safe. It'll stop you. You don't want that. You want to make sure that you've trained, you've done drills, do drills, jump on the mats, get spotters, get used to their hand in the back, get used to jumping on mats, get used to the feeling, get used to knowing the skill, and most importantly, take your time. It's no rush. You cannot rush trying to get them through a mental block. It takes a while. Some people it takes a week, some people it takes 6 weeks. It took me 6 months. It's a process, okay? So remember, arms straight, hollow, bend your knees. Not too low, just enough. Bend your knees and just jump straight up. And some people, it's all in the hips and that thrust. Bring your toes up and that thrust. You're gonna see when I do it right now. Now I'm gonna be spotting something. Now I have somebody that's holding the camera, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna try to focus on a point, and he's gonna get it right centered with me. So I'm gonna be like right here. I'm gonna focus on this tree, okay? As he gets me, okay? All right, here we go. Let me get this shoe. Also make sure your shoelaces is tight. All right, I'll jokes aside, here we go. So remember, arms here, hold the hollow, almost at the peak of your height, snap your knees to your chest and tuck tight. Tighter you tuck, the faster you rotate. All right, here we go. Okay, that was a land, but it was a bad land. That was a bad land. It's because of my shoelace. It's because of my shoelace, but it's okay. It was still a land. Again, that happened because I landed and my shoelace went under my shoe. Anyway, all right, so you just saw me do a backflip. I'm gonna do another one, and I'm gonna change the angle. Again, this is a very dangerous move, so make sure that you prepare yourself, get private lessons. I know they're expensive. If you can't afford it, just go to Open Gym. Open Gyms is the best resource, trust me. And also, these are heavy shoes. Get something light. Don't get heavy shoes like these. These will weigh you down. The lighter you are, the better, okay? The more fit, build your calf muscles, build your arms, and these are very important because when you take off, you're always holding off the tip and you're springing up in the air. Now this is gonna be a really high back tuck, but I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna be right here, focusing on this little slide thing right here, right? And I'm gonna jump very high, all right? Watch my arms, watch my legs, watch my feet, watch my tuck and how tight I am. You gotta explode, you gotta jump straight up. All right, so you see how I landed? I snapped my knees to my chest as I'm coming around. Keep your chest up. Don't ever, what I used to do when I was in Open Gym and my coach taught me, you wanna keep your chest up. To keep your chest up, one thing I learned, and no one taught me this, I learned it on my own. Sometimes when we tuck, we have a tendency to kind of like slip off the edge a little bit. You wanna have that tuck, and you wanna, for me, I grab a little lower and I pull. So it's like you're coming down, pull through, land. Okay? So that's my back tuck backflip tutorial, and that's what you wanna do. Remember, this is a dangerous move. Commit. If you're around friends, family, get spotters, get coaches. Do not mess around. I see a lot of videos out there, people hurting themselves because they're not doing it right. Focus forward. Focus on your home set. Hollow like this. I like to hollow about here. And remember, at the peak, almost at the peak, snap your knees to your chest and tuck and look for the ground. When you look for the ground, hold your chest up, snap your chest up, and pull your knees tight. All right? And land. That's my backflip tutorial for the BJC crew. I love you guys for the backflip journey. Good luck out there. I hope this tutorial helps you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. There, backflip. Woo! Backflip. All right, with jeans on too. There we go, backflip. Very clean. That's the way it's done with jeans on. Look, I'm wearing jeans. Wearing jeans. Tight shirt. All right, let's stop here. Yes! Woohoo! Let's go! Backflip on concrete. Yes!
Am I recording? Yeah. Go ahead. You're good.
Recorded?
Yep.
Oh! That was a backflip. That was a backflip. Now I gotta do it this way. Wow. I'm kind of shocked on that one. That was clean. Now this sun is in my face, so I don't know. Is there a way to get in the shade a little bit? Let me try here. Can you get behind me?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. I'll make sure I land them like I just did.
All right. All right.
Promise is a promise. Alright. Alright. Find something to stare at. Rounding. Alright. Good?
Good.
Clean, right?
Hell yeah, it was. Smooth.
I'm proud, I know.
Smooth. Smooth.
Thank you.
Recording.
Feel that? Yep. Try to get a few more space. You got it. 3, 2. Easy. On the hard floor. Oh. Wow.
Ah! Good knees, solid. Let's go, Nate. Easy. Soft too, soft too. Good job.